Okay, hey you guys, so in this video I'm working with CurlsCurls. These are your natural curly clip-ins. They should resemble between 3B and 3C natural curly hair. These clip-ins are 14 inches long, and the color of it, I did get it in black so it can match my natural color. So the hair color for it does says natural color, so it should match my color really well. Okay, so starting off from just wetting the hair like really well. Y'all know when I do my real hair, like I have to have it wet, so I'm treating this like my own hair, and I'm getting the clip-ins good and wet. Okay, so this is your oil deep conditioner, which is smooth, moist, and soft, and is used for wigs and weaves. That's what I'm going to go in and put on the hair. I did not use shampoo, so I'm basically like doing a co-wash on the hair. Okay, so going into the hair, you're going to massage into wet hair, working from roots to ends. You're going to leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, so these are your clip-ins once they have been conditioned and once they have been rinsed out. Okay, so first you're going to part your hair from ear to ear. Well, that's really not ear to ear since this is the bottom. I don't know. But you're going to part your hair. Okay, so since I'm at the back of my head, I did go in with the 2. Okay, so you just basically gonna put the clip and clip it as close to the part as you can. And before you guys say anything, yes, I know my part is crooked, but it's clip-ins, y'all. It does not matter who gonna see the part. Okay, y'all, so basically during this whole process, you basically gonna be repeating yourself. So basically I'm just gonna part my hair, and then basically you put what clip-in you think will fit right there without the clip-in showing on the sides. So basically this is like a process where you just take your time and do it and figure out which clip-ins fit where. And y'all, oh my god, like doing this whole process, like these clip-ins really blend with my hair. Like I never knew what type hair I have, because y'all know throughout my whole natural journey I always say I'm not a type. But if I would have to type my hair, I would say I have between 3B and 3C hair, because these clip-ins blend perfectly, baby. Like you can't even tell what my hair is. Like look at that, like real hair wear. Okay, y'all, so this is where Destiny's going to jump in it. And at first I was going to do a half up, half down, but I'm still doing a half up, half down, but I'm doing like a U part that more clip-ins would fit in this way. Like the longest ones, like the 5 and the 4 clip-ins would fit in better this way. So this is where you're going to see where I'm installing the 5 and the 4 clip-ins. Okay, y'all, this is what the U part look like. You basically going from eyebrow to eyebrow. Okay, so where I created the U part at, I am going in with my 5 clip and my 4 clip-ins. Okay, so during this whole process, y'all, my arms got tired. So, of course, you already know Destiny was behind the camera. All of Destiny was behind the camera. I repeat. So, she's stepping in, helping me to finish this hairstyle. Okay, so now that I have the down part done and I have all the clip-ins in that's going in the bottom half of my hairstyle, I'm basically taking water and Eco Styler gel and just blending in my real hair with the clip-ins. If you watch me, you already know how I do this. Yes, I use a lot of water. And of course, you already know it's time to rake your hair. If you don't hear your hair sounding like bacon grease, I don't care if it's clip-ins, whatever. You do not have enough product in your hair. It's not going to blend well. So don't be stingy and use the product. Okay, so you guys, I'm basically going in up under my hair and making sure everything is blend. You do not just want to blend the top of your hair where people see. Like, get in, get under the hair, make sure everything is blend in. Okay, so now that the bottom is done, I'm going to the top. So there is only 2 clip-ins at the top. I did use the last 2 tools. That sound funny. But yeah, so, okay, so for the first clip-in, you're going to put it, I'm trying to explain it. Okay, so you're going to put it like it's going like a bang. Like, you're not going to put it where it's hanging backwards, but you're going to clip it where it's hanging frontwards. Okay, y'all, so all the clip-ins are in my hair. Now I'm just going in and about to do my edges and basically style the hair. For my edges, you all, I am going in with my every 24-hour hold edge control. Okay, so on the ponytail part, I'm doing what you call like a shingle method. So you basically go through like single strands of hair and basically like twining them around your finger and basically curling them so they can blend well with the hair. Okay, y'all, so during this whole process to see the finished look, y'all, like I got excited. Like these clip-ins blend so well with my hair. Like look at it. Like it speaks for itself. It blends perfectly with my hair. Okay, I didn't use the 5. Yeah, one of the 5s and one of the 2s. But if you all want to fit them in, it's up. But if you guys want to,
there, yeah.
If you guys want to fit them in, that's up to you. But I didn't put them all in because I didn't want to just bunch them up in my head. But again, it do come with 10 clip-ins, which makes it a full bundle. So that's all you need. You only need 10, but you don't have to use all 10. But this is the finished look.
That look good, T. That look good.